Want more videos like this? Just subscribe to our channel. Did you know that watermelon is very beneficial to your hair when eaten and applied topically? The high water content of watermelon makes it wonderful for the hair. Watermelon is a rich source of potassium, calcium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, etc. The high content of vitamin C present in watermelon helps in promoting healthy hair. Watermelon helps to boost blood circulation on the scalp to promote healthy hair growth. While watermelon seed is very helpful to moisturize the hair. How to use watermelon for hair growth? Consume watermelon to reap the wonderful benefits of watermelon. All you have to do is eat more watermelon. If you are not really into consuming watermelon, you could try juicing it or adding it to smoothies, as a way to add it in without having to actually consume it. Watermelon hair mask for hair growth. Including its nutrient, the watermelon can be used as a hair mask for hair growth. Here's how. Materials: 1 teaspoon mayonnaise. Watermelon. Directions: mash the pulp of watermelon using fork. Mix with 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise until it become a thick paste. Apply the paste on your scalp. Leave on for 30 minutes. Rinse using mild shampoo. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button and then tapping the bell icon, so you will be first know when we post the videos.